Welcome to my new video. Today I will show you how to find duplicate file in your storage device. So here I will show a web-based tool that you can find your duplicate file and free up your PC storage, absolute free of cost. So let's see how to we find our duplicate file and how it works. So first of all, you need to open any browser. Here I use Google Chrome and type newstorial website. This website newstorial. Visit this website and here you can see duplicate file finder online. And if you not see here, you can search this here, and you can find this post. Open this link. So wait a few seconds, you can here discover the best duplicate file finder, easy duplicate file finder quickly support. And here you can upload drive like DEC, as well as you can upload a folder data. And another things, here your file does not save this website. So let's do it, how to it works. So here you can find choose file. If you're using dark mode, please remove this. Duplicate file finder text will be visible. So first I will choose a file or disk drive. So here I will choose a file, a folder. Choose folder and upload. And here you can see upload 8 files to this site and confirm upload. And hit scan file button. And when you hit this scan file button, here you can see our duplicate file name and here file location. And here you can see preview button. So click preview and here you can see preview the file content. And here I will try another one. So here I scan this folder, new folder. Here you can see my size is 801 MB, and you can see as well as properties 801 MB. So choose file, download new folder, 801 MB, upload this, and here you can see 54 files and scan files. Now here you can see progress bar hour, and here you can see preview and here you can see preview result. These are same file, but as well as you can find your same file in a different location. I hope like this video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and hit like button and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.